such a special night. I'm not stressing, baby, listen to let's go.
Today is the happiest day of her life. I should be happy for her.
You can go your own way. Go your own way. Tell me why everything turned around.